In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a game activation code on Steam for Ubisoft Connect. First, open up your Steam client. Once it's open, make sure you're signed in and then go to your Library tab. This is where all your games are listed. Now find the game you want the activation code for. Right-click on the game title and select Manage. From the menu that appears, look for an option called CD Keys. If that option is available, click it. You should now see the activation code for your game. You can copy that code. However, if you don't see the CD keys option in Steam, don't worry. Some Ubisoft titles that are bought on Steam don't show a visible key because they use automatic activation. In this situation, just try launching the game from Steam. Ubisoft Connect should detect the purchase, and the game will open through Ubisoft Connect and will link it automatically to your Ubisoft account. And that's it. Thanks for watching.